Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. There is nothing I enjoy more in the colder months than a nice hot cup of tea. One of my favorite flavors right now is this vanilla chai black tea from Bigelow. It is very smooth. I've always loved chai, but that little hint of vanilla tied with it, it's so good. Another thing I like about this particular flavor is I do like to add a little bit of sweet cream in my tea, and not all tea flavors mesh well. This blends beautifully with my touch of sweet cream. It just makes me feel cozy. And come on, there's something just really comforting about a warm beverage. So I love this one. The flavor's fantastic. You've got sweet, spicy, you can add your sweet cream if you want. If you are a hot tea lover, you should definitely put this one on your list. You're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.